solve for x, 8 to the power of x is equal to 4. So we've got 8 to the x is equal to 4. Now, what you need to do is make these the same base. What you've got to realise that 8 and 4 are both powers of 2. So 8 is 2 cubed, and then 2 cubed is raised to the power of x. 4 is 2 squared, and then we use the idea that of a to the m to the n is equal to a to the mn. So this becomes 2 to the 3 times x, still equal to 2 squared. Now, because we have the same base, this power here must be the same as this power here. And therefore, 3x must be equal to 2, and therefore x is equal to 2 over 3. And if you think about it, this means take the cube root of 8, which is 2, and then square it. If you square 2, you get 4. So this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation where x is in the power, and then trying to use making the same base in order to solve it. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.